Hi CFC friends, this is Eileen. I am a longtime volunteer with Creations for Cures. I've done a couple of YouTube videos now. I did the Groundhog's Day one and then I did your Love Your Pet. This one today we're going to do create your own sports jersey. So I actually made this one a while back. It's got my nickname on the back and then my favorite number, 31, because I love Halloween, but it's really kind of cool, so I thought we would do that today. You don't need a lot of supplies. I have my supply bucket with me, but really all you need is a nice piece of white paper, some scissors, and then I have these really nice markers. I think I'm going to do markers, but you could certainly do, if you wanted to, you could paint, you could do crayons, you could do colored pencils, whatever really kind of is fun for you. So, because that's really what it's all about. It's about us having fun together. So I'm going to first outline my sports jersey. And I'm just going to kind of keep it simple, of course. Because most of my designs are simple. Because I am not the best artist, which is fine. Because these are for me. Let's do that. And then just like this. So I'm gonna, can you see that? I'm gonna cut that out now with the scissors so that we could color together. So this, you know, I say a sports jersey, but I guess it could be a jersey really for anything. You know, if you like painting, you could make yourself a really fun painting smock. Actually, I really like to bake. So maybe this will be my baking jersey. Because I'm not very good at sports. I do like watching sports though. I love watching baseball. I love watching basketball. I like watching football. I like watching soccer. I like all of them. Okay, so I'm going to now get my crayons out. I'll get my markers out and decide. I also have some fun stickers. So maybe I'll put a couple fun stickers on there. I have some robots. I actually have some nice hearts. Ooh, and I have some flowers. Some very pretty flowers. Maybe I'll put some pretty flowers on there, but I don't know if it's a baking one. Maybe I'll use this really cool cupcake unicorn. Is that a unicake? I'm not sure what that's called. Okay, so let's get my colors out. And I think this one I kind of did like with patches. I think on my new one, I'm going to make stripes. But I do want to sort of maybe write my name first. And I'm going to use my nickname, my last name. It's part of my last name, and it rhymes with tough. So my friends call me Tough Cuff, but we'll make it, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to kind of put my name on the back, my fun nickname. At least I think it's fun. And then I'll do a big U right here. And I'm going to kind of make fun letters that I can color in. Because I do like to color. And then we'll do one like this. Okay. All right. So, do you guys play sports? Maybe I won't put a number in the middle, but maybe I'll, instead of putting like a number on my jersey, maybe I'll put a cupcake. Because sometimes people call me Cuffcake. So that's what I should have put on there. I should have put Cuffcake. But let's stick with Tough Cuff for now. But we'll put a cupcake in there so we know what it's for. And I can wear it when I bake. Like when I used to bake, when I was a baker. I actually used to have a jacket I used to wear that was for baking. So this now can be my baking jersey. Let's see, how good am I at drawing a cupcake? Not very good, but let's take a look at the way that cupcake looks. Let's just kind of make it like this, kind of do that. And then Yeah, I'm going to put a cupcake instead of a number. I kind of like that idea. Ooh, yeah. So that's mine. So there it is. So there's Tough Cuff. There's my cupcake. And now I'm going to color. I'm going to pick some fun colors. Let's color in that cupcake first because that's fun. And we'll make the bottom part brown. But do you play sports? Sports is a great way to make new friends, I think, and to learn how to play as a team, which I think is important. I think it's good to kind of learn how to play as a team and learn how to play with other people together with a common goal, right? Because one of my favorite sayings is, if you want to go fast, you should go by yourself. But if you want to go far, you should go as a team. And I think that's true when you work together. There's so much you can accomplish. And I think that that's so important. Okay. So I've got that part. I think if I'm going to do icing on this, I think I want pink icing on my cupcake. So we're going to do pink for my cupcake. And I think that would be delicious because I do like cupcakes. I don't know about you, but I definitely like cupcakes. So, if you play sports, let me ask you this. If you could create your own sport, what would it be? Have you ever thought about making your own sport? Would you maybe combine some sports together? Maybe put football and what else could go with football? Ooh, you know what would be funny? If you did like baseball and basketball. So instead of pitching with a baseball, you're pitching with a basketball. Ooh, with a soccer ball, even better. So basketball and soccer ball. So they throw the soccer ball and you can hit it. But then in order to, you still can't use your hands. So you would have to kick the ball back into the infield if somebody hit the ball out into the outfield. That'd be weird, right? That's okay, I like weird. So I think I'm going to do lots of different colors. But I think I'm going to kind of match them up a little bit. So let's see. So I have nieces who play a lot of different sports. They play soccer, and they play basketball, and they play volleyball, and I know that they even do golf, which I think is amazing. I mean, they're just so talented, which I think is really cool. They really are very good at sports. I am not that good at sports, but I do love to watch, especially live sports. Do you ever go and watch live sports? Oh, it's so fun. It's so fun to be in the audience and cheer people on and just enjoy that. How much fun it is to kind of be in the audience and watching the game. I definitely like that. And I love to root the teams on. I think it's so good. But yeah, I really do. I love to listen to, I actually like to listen to baseball on the radio. I like to listen to the guys who are announcing talk about it. Because they talk about it with such passion. They love it so much. It's so fun to listen to them. This is really coming out really very colorful, which I like. I do like color. Almost like a rainbow. Alright, let's see. I might put some stickers on here. You don't have to put stickers on it, but maybe I'll put some stickers on it because I like stickers. Okay, we're almost there. I'll let you see what it looks like right now. So there you go. It's really good color. And then let's see, what colors do I have left? Oh, okay, perfect. Perfect. Let's do blue on this one. And so yeah, this is a fun thing to do because I guess you could make a jersey really for anything. Like I said, I mean, maybe you don't like sports, but you like music. So you can make yourself a special jersey to wear when you're playing music. My son loves to play his guitar. Could make him a jersey to play with his guitar. You could put guitars on it. We could actually make it striped like it's guitar strings. That would actually be fun. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so there's that part of it. So now how do I want to color it? I don't know, do I want to use crayons? Maybe I will use crayons. Just to have a different texture. A different texture than the markers I did. So I'm going to put my markers over here. Keep those over there. And then maybe I will put some stickers on there. I do like stickers. I have some fun ones too. Maybe the heart. Maybe I'll put a heart on there. Ooh, a dinosaur. Ooh, I have dinosaur stickers. Those are pretty cool. I forgot that I had some of those left over. Ooh, and I have some cats and some sloths. Ooh, I like that. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll put some of these stickers on here just for fun. Ooh, I have a funny little dog one too. So we'll just put some on there. Let's see. What else do I have? Maybe I'll put some stickers on there. Let's see. Okay, let's do some more coloring. I'm going to do some more coloring. I think I am going to make some fun stripes on this one this time. I'm going to take another piece of paper and put it underneath this for my coloring. Okay. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I think I know what I'm going to do. Okay. So, you know, my nieces, I know that they really like to play sports. And that has been a little hard during the pandemic when they weren't able to play. But I know they're getting to play sports now, which is exciting for them because they love to see their friends and their teammates. And they're very competitive. They really enjoy, even if they're playing in the rain, they really enjoy it, which I think is awesome. Because like I said, it's really kind of taught them how to work as a team and have a common goal and how to support each other, you know? It's not always necessarily about, you know, scoring the goal. Maybe you're getting the assist, which I think is just as good as scoring that goal. Because you've helped your teammate get the goal as well, which I think is great. So when we work together, we can accomplish so much, which I think makes life so much better. Okay, this is actually, I like it. I like the colors. I'm very much into the bright colors. Do I have purple in here? I hope so. Let's see, that's blue. Do I have purple? I feel like it needs a little purple. Ooh, how about this one? Okay, let's do this over here. And I'm kind of blending my colors together because I really like the way that looks. I don't know if you can see it, but my glasses kind of have lots of color on them too, so I really like color. And this is my favorite shirt because it's super bright. I love the color. Okay. So like I said, if you have some stickers you want to put on here, you should definitely put some stickers on here. Because it should be designed so that it's fun for you to wear. Okay, so listen here. So here's how it's coming so far. Kind of blending my colors together. And, ooh, here's a nice purple. This is perfect. Oh, okay, good, good, good. All right, so I want to try to color a little bit in the lines, but I also like the way it's kind of blending together. So, if you could play any sport, what would it be? Ooh, and would you have a fun mascot? Maybe you could have a groundhog as your mascot. Or what else could you have that's a fun mascot? You know, something that's fast, I guess, depending on what kind of sport you were creating, right? I mean, if you're making a sport where you have to run, your mascot could be a cheetah, because they're certainly fun. Or a unicorn. I mean, nothing better than a unicorn. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take this little unicorn sticker and I'm going to put it right in the middle of my cupcake. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. So let's color that in. Yeah, so that's one of the things you have to think about too. What kind of mascot would you have if you created your own sport? And then would you create your own animal to be the mascot? Or maybe it wouldn't even be an animal. What else could it be? I mean, I guess this is going to be my baking jersey. Maybe my mascot would be, maybe like a dancing whisk. Or what else could it be? Some measuring spoons, because I definitely use those a lot when I'm baking. Or maybe it could be a dancing cupcake. Who doesn't like a dancing cupcake, right? I mean, I definitely love cupcakes, so. And it's definitely one of my favorite things to bake. But I also like running. I've always wanted to try to learn how to run and juggle, which I know sounds crazy, but it's a real thing. It's called joggling. Is that funny? It is kind of a funny word, isn't it? Jogging and juggling. But I definitely like to juggle. And sometimes when I'm baking, I'm juggling. Maybe that could be my new sport. You have to juggle. This actually looks pretty good. I like these colors. So there we go. There's the front of my jersey. Looks pretty good on me, huh? Okay. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna color in a little bit of the back too. But I think I'm gonna do the same thing, and I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna blend a lot of colors together on the back, and I think I'm gonna use my markers for that, because I think this will be fun. Oh yeah, look at that. It's kind of cool when you blend the blue and the yellow together. It makes green, which is fun. Okay, I like that too, when you can blend colors and they become new colors. Like this pink and blue, it's kind of becoming a really fun purple. Ooh, orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. Mostly because I like to carve pumpkins. Oh, I should have made a jersey for me to carve pumpkins, because boy, is that messy business. But I really do like to carve pumpkins. And definitely a little purple. And then, what should be my last color? This green. This fun green. Yeah, it almost matches my shirt. Oh yeah, okay. So it's almost like tie-dye. Here's the back of my jersey. Kind of looks like tie-dye. And then here's the front of my jersey. So okay, so I hope you have fun making your own jersey. There are many reasons you could make this jersey, so it could be for sports or it could be for something else that you really like to do, but you should definitely design it for whatever you're going to do. So if you like to read, you should put some books on there, or maybe put some fun words on there, or if you do like baking like me, I put a fun little cupcake right in the middle of it. But if you like sports, you should definitely design it for your own sports, and then think about what sport would you create to wear your new jersey. So anyway, I've had fun with you today, as I always have. Tune in next week. There'll be another fun video for you to watch. Definitely subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Bye, everybody.